Hello, my name is Sophia. I'm going to be reading this book for the Book Spring Readathon, Grumpy Cat. Once there was a little cat. She was cute, she was furry, and she was grumpy. Grumpy Cat didn't like anything. Grumpy Cat went outside. She wanted to be alone, but soon a happy butterfly started talking to her. Grumpy Cat didn't know the butterfly's name. She didn't care. "Hi, Grumpy Cat," the butterfly said. "You know what's great about the outdoors?" "Nothing," Grumpy Cat said. Grumpy Cat wanted the happy butterfly to go away, but it didn't. Instead, a cheerful ladybug joined them. "Good morning, Grumpy Cat," the ladybug said. "There's no such thing," Grumpy Cat said. Grumpy Cat, would you like to play?" the butterfly asked. Grumpy Cat wouldn't. "Come on, it will be fun," the ladybug said. "I had fun once," Grumpy Cat said. "It was a lot of fun." A joyful bird joined in. Grumpy Cat was surrounded by happy animals. Grumpy Cat, there must be something fun you would do," the bird said. "I know. Would you like to race?" Ready, set, with Grumpy Cat? Ready, set, no. Grumpy Cat wouldn't. The happy animals all raced away. Grumpy Cat was alone. Good. The end. Can you please donate to the Book Spring Readathon? Thank you.